Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to find arrest mugshots in 2025. Whether you're a journalist, a researcher, or just someone looking to understand public records better, this guide will help you navigate the updated digital landscape. Let's dive right in. First off, in 2025, the process has gotten even more streamlined thanks to advanced AI and enhanced privacy regulations. Start by heading to official government websites. Most police departments and the FBI have user-friendly portals where you can search for mugshots using a name, date of birth, or location. Remember, these sites are your most reliable sources because they provide verified information. Next, explore public records databases like the National Crime Information Center or state-specific archives. Many of these are now accessible via apps with facial recognition tech, super cool, but always ensure you're complying with laws. For a quicker search, use popular search engines like Google or specialized tools like BeenVerified, but be cautious as results might not always be up-to-date or accurate. If you're dealing with older records, check county courthouses or use subscription services that aggregate data from multiple sources. In 2025, AI-powered tools can even help predict where to look based on your query. Pro tip: always verify the information you find to avoid misinformation. Now, a word of caution: accessing mugshots isn't always straightforward due to evolving privacy laws. In some places, mugshots are expunged after a certain period, so you might hit roadblocks. If you're struggling, consider reaching out to legal experts or using FOIA requests for public records. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to finding arrest mugshots in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay informed and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.